watch until the end to see the newest doll in the world that just came out. So, let's start the video. So, let's open it up. If I flip that again, I'm okay with that. Just put a thumbs up anyways. Alright. Oh my god. Little whip. Sad. Don't worry. I'm happy. Because these are the newest LOL Surprise and I just got them. Oh! The red balls! I never knew that! Looks like they're red balls. But that's strange. These are new, so they might be red, I know. They might be pink or red. I guess new LOLs do have different ball colors, I guess. Can you put that in the comments, maybe? Yeah. Maybe when I'm older, I had to do that. Yeah. Yes. Whoa! Oh my god. That was magic. Okay. I plus heart plus rock. I heart rock. That was weird. That's a weird one. What if it was the start one? If you saw that, pause it from the other one. Yeah, I want you guys to see. Oh my god. Rip it down and let's see who we get. Why is this random thing here? I don't know why it's here, but I was looking at it. I was wondering why it was here when I started opening it. I don't know why it's stuck. I can't even open it up! You have to rip the tape. I'm not ripping it. Can you comment how you open these? Please. It must be tape. Yes, why do they have to tape it? Okay, the tape off, I think. Yeah. There you go. I put it on the message, but anyway, let's open it up. Ah! So you have to open the tiny ones. Is this who we get? It was like, what in the world? Did we get that one? I think that shows who you get. I think it's Rocker. That's what it says, Rocker. They comes with different things. I know she comes with that, but when else? I never watched her before, but I watched it on TV, and they did not come in this. I haven't seen these balls on TV. Okay. These are doublers. Okay. Please separate the body part. No, this is an outfit. Okay. It's sure I'll take it back apart. This isn't supposed to be something. This should happen. It's like they put on the shorts. Weird. Am I just weird, or is this a weird day? Okay. They did not make this the same. Oh my god. Just open it up. She's very cute. And here she is. very cute. Alright. This might be easy to put on, but if you get her, maybe I don't know what she is. A river? I don't know. It didn't come with anything. Like a checklist. It only shows what we get. Time to put on the shoes. I might make like a gaming video soon, but don't worry. We're gonna make more. I'm not saying that off camera. I am saying it on camera for real. Yes. Yeah. This is a broken heart. Did this fall? Like, did somebody get all of them already and buy them all? Mostly like 16 of them and just did all these. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, if we get extras on the next video, don't worry. We'll do another. I'm trying to put this thing on. This doesn't let me, but I'll try this. And these are baby dolls at like Valentine's Day. I don't know. We'd have to take off the head to put it on. I guess. It's very hard to put it on after that. I don't know why they always have to do this stuff. The dolls. It's not easy to put on their head. Anyways. I can't believe they come with these balls. Look at these tins. That blow my mind. I just put those on my head. I'm sorry about this. If you saw that on camera, I'm sorry. But this rocker, I'm gonna maybe this is a sticker, right? I think so. This is a sticker. How do you get stickers? Paint a sticker? I don't know what these ones are. I just don't know. It feels like a sticker. Okay, so they are stickers. If you want to put on the ball, they can. And then you can see who it belongs to. It makes it more easier, right? I'm going to put it on the top. So if you can see whose ball it is, you can know whose ball it is. Put the sticker on and try to peel it off. If you're a kid, ask your mom, but if you're not a kid and you're a grown-up, it might be easy for you. I just wanted to tell you that. So, like